In my last class, we have studied properties of multiplication of integers. Now we will study what is the use of that properties. That those property will make multiplication easy. Make multiplication easy. How? I'll explain with the help of some example. Say I have to multiply 25 into 37 into 4. So simply I can multiply minus 25 into 37. Okay. Next, the next step I can multiply this 4. And minus 25 into 37 is what? It is minus plus minus 925 into 4, which is minus 3700. Now instead of doing this, I can rearrange this in somewhat like I'll make group minus 25 into 4. Next, that I'll multiply by 37. And you all know minus 25 into 4 is minus 100. Okay, into 37 is minus 3700. Now, you tell me which one is easier way. Obviously, this one is the easier one, because multiplication of minus 25 into 4, that is minus 100, which is easier to multiply with 37. So now this second way involves that commutativity VT and associativity of integers. So you can see by using these properties we can make calculation very easy. Next, let me further show how calculation can be made easier using this property. Say, find the value of 36 into 12. 36 into 12. This can be written as 36 into 12. I can written as 10 plus 2. So 36 into 10 plus 36 into 2. Which property I have used? I have used distributive property. I have used distributive property. Whenever you will use a property, you will write at the right hand side. Okay. Now 36 into 10 is 360 plus 36 into 2 is 72. So 432 is our answer. Let's take another example. Say you have to multiply minus 27 into 48. Now this 48 I can written as 50 minus 2. Okay. So this means 27 into 50. This minus 27 into minus 2. So minus 27 into 50 is minus 1350. This minus will be plus. So 54. So answer will be minus 1296. Understood? Next I will take an example like 52 into minus 8 plus minus 52 into 2. Now minus 52 into 2 can also be written as 52 into minus 2. Same result. Okay. Now this will become 52 into minus 8 plus 52 into minus 2. So 52 and 52 is a common number there. So 52 minus 8 plus what remains? Minus 2. So 52 into minus 8, this plus minus, when it is separated by a bracket, that means you have to multiply. When this 2 sign is separated by a bracket, that means you have to multiply. Plus minus is minus. Okay. So here both signs same, so you have to add. 8 plus 2 is 10 and this is minus sign is minus. So your answer is minus 520. I think now you have understood what are the different uses of properties of multiplication of integers. That means simply it makes our calculation very easy. Thank you.